It's been a while since I shot a video, well, specifically my truck. I live in Texas now, so it's kind of a different landscape. I guess I'll shoot a quick little video. A lot more traffic around here. But not much has changed. I mean, it's still dirty as hell because of that sprinkler right there. We have workers in the back, so a lot of dust comes through and the sprinkler just sets the dust on it. I have no running boards on it now. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Pretty much the same head unit. And what's actually new is, actually I have a Zuka tube now. That's a whopping 12-incher right there. It hits harder than MTXs I had. I mean, I absolutely love that thing. Still have my MTX amp with it though. Then I had my iPod hook up like before. I just keep my iPod Touch in there since I have an iPad now. Let me go to a song. Sorry if this takes a little while, just hang tight. I'm trying not to fringe copyrights or anything. This is going to be Dirt Road by Colt Ford and Brantley Gilbert. I do not own any rights to this song. All rights go to them. And oh, and that's my radar. That's my radar detector, so we're not.
I got my boy Brantley Gilbert in here with me. We just some country boys from Georgia. We're gonna do a little something about the dirt roads that we come from. I'm gonna rap a little bit. You feel like singing? Yeah, bro. Let's go.
Yeah, it hits pretty nice.
Back in the day, box office, place to go. Load the truck up, hit the dirt road, jump the barbed wire, spread the word, light the bonfire, then call the girl. Being in the can of the Marlboro man, Jack and Jim, we're a few good men. We learn how to kiss and cut up fight too. Better watch out for the boys in blue. And all this small town, she said, ain't it funny how rumors spread like I know something y'all don't know. Man, this shit is getting old. Man, mind your business, watch your mouth before I have to knock you down. That sound, it's time to talk it.
Yeah, that's just a quick overview of my truck now. I mean, I have my fuzz buster, still have my bed cover, no running boards. Oh, and this is where somebody broke into my truck. I was pretty pissed about that. It was last September. And they tore off my rain shield, which pissed me off more than anything. And they stole my backpack filled with textbooks, so like $150 worth of textbooks, so that sucked like really bad. See, it's still on this side, and it just needs a few little cosmetic details. I'm looking into a V8 engine swap, so if you subscribe to me, you may be seeing that on video soon. So stay tuned and hit that subscribe button. Thank you.